BJP leader Narendra Modi's aide Amit Shah has been questioned by CBI in the Ishrat Jahan fake encounter case. The questioning comes days after the Vanzara letter bomb rattled the Gujarat government. And with the election season approaching, the BJP is claiming it's nothing but CBI being misused by the government again.
He is the trusted lieutenant of BJP Prime Ministerial candidate Narendra Modi. But Amit Shah continues to be at the centre of controversy. He was named as an accused in the Sohrabuddin encounter and now faces pressure in another alleged fake encounter, that of Ishrat Jahan. The BJP General Secretary was questioned at length by the CBI. This after the jail cop DG Vanzara had claimed that every action of the police was inspired by the Gujarat government.
CBI questioned Amit Shah in Ishrat encounter case as they have to file a supplementary charge sheet very soon, as also in connection with jailed cop Vanzara's letter bomb that directly implicated Shah as monitoring the encounters of that period. Remains to be seen whether Modi's right-hand man manages to keep free or gets embroiled in the encounters yet again just ahead of a busy election season.
The BJP has alleged the misuse of the investigating agency by the government, which has been rejected.
ये केस में जो इन्वॉल्व होते हैं उनको पूछताछ करने में हमें पता नहीं है, सीबीआई मेरे पास नहीं है, मैं इतना ही बोलूंगा कि वो उनका काम कर रहे हैं.
But the fact is that the Congress is looking to make political capital out of the alleged involvement of the BJP General Secretary.
ये जेल भी गए, सलाखों के पीछे रहे, अभी आजकल जमानत पे हैं, जमानत पे बाहर हैं. तो इंक्वायरी तो इनसे होनी ही थी, आज नहीं तो कल. और फिर गुजरात के मुख्यमंत्री ने अगर ये बात कही है कि ये जो बीजेपी वर्सेस सीबीआई होगी, तो ये मुझे तो नहीं मालूम था.
With Amit Shah leading the BJP challenge in Uttar Pradesh, this fight is only getting more political.
Amit Shah is the man who has been given responsibility of none other but the state of Uttar Pradesh and has been brought in the top committees of the party. Is this a sign which BJP senior leaders are giving by not defending Amit Shah, or is it mere evading the embarrassment? With Bureau journalist Nitin Aishwarya Kapoor for Times Now.